Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to remove iqoo mobile lock screen password. Friends, you want to off iqoo mobile lock screen password. So friends, now let's see how to remove and how to turn off iqoo mobile lock screen password. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you don't want to use iqoo mobile lock screen password. So friends, now let's see how to delete and how to turn off iqoo mobile lock screen password. Open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, scroll down here. Open your phone password and security setting. After turn on your phone password setting friends, again you scroll down here. Open your phone screen lock setting. Enter your password. After enter password friends, you can select new password type. You want to change lock screen password, so you can change. So friends, I have name password, this complex password, and I will change my password with pattern lock. And friends, I will draw pattern for lock screen. So friends, you can check lock screen password will change. Friends, I have pattern lock on my lock screen. I can unlock my iqoo mobile with pattern lock password. Name password lock will remove. You have pattern password and you don't want to use any password on lock screen. You want to delete, you want to turn off lock screen password. So guys, open your phone security setting, open your phone screen lock setting, enter your device password. Friends, click your swipe option, and if you click on option, so you can remove swipe lock also. Click on option, and friends, you can check I have face lock, and you have face lock, you have fingerprint lock. After remove lock screen password, your face lock will remove, fingerprint lock will remove automatic. Again you want to use, so you will have to set lock screen password first. Off your screen friends, you can on your screen without swipe lock also, and you can unlock your mobile without swipe lock and without any password. And you want to unlock your iqoo mobile with swipe lock. So friends, again open your phone security setting and open your phone screen lock setting, click a swipe option setting, and friends, now you can unlock your iqoo mobile with swipe lock. Your phone screen will not on automatic. Swipe here, phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can use lock screen password setting. You can remove lock screen password in iqoo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye my friends.